Hey guys, it's Sugar Skull Candy and I'm coming at you with a very special guest today. I am working with my coworker Bree's daughter, Joie. Joie, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
And she wants to be a Sugar Skull for Halloween. She's going trick-or-treating today. And she saw my Sugar Skull video on YouTube and she's like, I want to be that. So we're going to turn her into a Sugar Skull. And then she's going to get all dressed up and we're going to take her trick-or-treating. Or her mom will. I won't be there, but so this is gonna be super casual. I'm probably gonna have friends popping in and stuff to say goodbye because I have friends over from last night, and we have Joey's mom sitting off to the side. So, yeah. So let's get started. I should have had you say that. Let's get started. Okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take a white water-based paint. This is by Bo Buggles. This is the one I always use. And I'm taking a porous sponge, as I did in my last video, and I'm just going to grind that in to get the paint to start working. And I'm going to dab that all over Joey's face. This is gonna feel kind of cold until it dries. Okay, ready? Okay. You can close your eyes if you want. Oh, okay. She's like, no. Might get a little in your hair, but it comes out so easy. Like, literally, when you get wet, it comes off. You got such a cute little face. So much easier to do than Jake's. Jake has more surface area.
Right.
I know that part feels funny. Can you lift your head up like this? Thank you. And I'm gonna put it on your lips, which might feel funny, but... Okay, look at me once. See what we got here. Okay. Can you lift your head up again? Thank you.
We laughed at the part on your video when you were going like this.
I know. Oh my gosh. Yeah, because I was just literally just trying to dry my eyes, and then Jake was dying when he saw that part, and he's like, "I'm just gonna leave it in. I'm gonna cut the music out, and it's just gonna be really awkward."
Me and Joy were laughing in the car, and she showed it to me, and she's like.
Yeah.
It's the funniest part.
I was laughing at myself. I was like, oh my god, I look so dumb.
And you're like,
Yeah, I was like trying to blow my eyes.
oh,
It was
so
funny. I could have just turned the fan on, but I didn't think of that at the time. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for this to dry. And then we'll move on to her eyes. I think we might need to put a second coat of white on, but we'll see. My god, her skin's so perfect.
I know.
It's like there's no like cracks and like
No
pores
crevices or
like
nothing.
mine. Okay, so next we're going to go in with a black body paint. It's the same brand. It's called Bo Buggles, and this is black. Look, the name is funny. Bo Buggles. I thought that was funny too. And we're going to take a very tiny eyeliner brush, and we're going to outline the circles of her eye sockets. So this part I probably will have you close your eyes, just because I don't want it to drip in your eyes. So, okay, are you ready? So we have the outlines of her eyes. Obviously they don't look perfect right now, but we're going to fill them in with black paint. We're going to use a bigger brush. What are you laughing at? Let's see here.
How's it going?
It's going good. What's your favorite candy you get when you go trick-or-treating? Is there one that you get, you're like, oh yes, it's my favorite?
You're like,
Bubble
oh,
gum.
M&M's?
No bubble gum.
Oh, bubble gum. Oh.
Because you can blow bubbles.
Yeah? Are you good at that?
I learned how to do that on Father's Day.
Oh, did you? On Father's Day, she learned how to blow bubbles. Did your father teach you how to do that?
actually.
Aw, that's awesome. All right, let's do your other eye. Go ahead and close your eye. Next, we're going to take that same little small brush that we used to outline her eyes, And we're going.
Small.
It is small, isn't it? It's like really tiny. And then we're going to make little petals on her eyes, and then we'll put the rhinestones inside them. Are you excited for that? Okay, are you ready?
Let's get down to business.
Tickles.
It tickles. I could tell she was starting to smile. Oh my god, she looks so cool. How does that look so far? One eye kind of turned up bigger than the other. But
Oh my gosh, I wouldn't be able to tell that. Looks super cool, Joy.
it's getting
Real.
Okay, what should we do next? Oh, let's put the rhinestones in. So, any specific pattern you want? Or any, like, how do you want it?
I want a pattern with black and then this color.
Okay, so black, silver, black, silver, black, silver, or clear, whatever you want to call them. So next we're going to go in with some self-adhesive rhinestones. I got these from Joanne Fabrics, and we're going to do a little pattern. We're going to do the silver, and we're going to do the black. So I'm just going to place those within the petals on Joey's eyes. Is your sister going to be jealous?
She's gonna be an elephant.
She's going to be an elephant? Cute.
She's gonna want her face painted like yours, isn't she?
Next, I think we'll do the nose. I'm gonna look up how I did mine because I can't remember. Girl, you got some cough going on. After the eyes, I did the nose and the mouth. So that's what we're gonna do next.
You're gonna do the lines in the mouth?
Yep.
My mom liked that part.
Yeah, she liked it that part.
Right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go back in with that same tiny brush, and we're going to use the same black paint, and we're gonna go in and draw the little nose on Joey. And I think I'm gonna make yours a little different than I did mine, because you have a cute little nose. Okay, you ready? I'm going to dab your lips with white again. I mean, it'll probably come off, like, this is water-based paint, so as she, like, licks her lips, it's gonna come off. But
Okay.
she'll still have this part right here.
Right.
So, but we'll start with it and see how long it lasts.
Perfect.
It looks like milk on your face.
It does. It's like you just had a nice glass of milk.
Do
Yeah.
a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Yeah, all you have to do is just make an account.
Okay.
And then from there you go to like, it's all in like your settings. And
Okay.
it says like YouTube Studio or something.
Okay.
And you go there and you can add a video and stuff. So, let's see your face.
Because I know after this she's gonna want to do it. And Rory can be your guest.
No.
No. No.
She's too naughty.
Oh.
She would wreck all my stuff.
Oh, we don't want that. So next we're going to do the mouth with the same paint and the same little brush. And I just have to look at my picture for reference. Okay, you ready? So just hold your mouth as you normally would, just like, because then it looks better. And I'm going to draw the little lines on your lips, okay? Can you go like this? So next we're gonna do our spider web. Joey's favorite part. Alright, so next we are just going to take some different colored eyeliners. I'm using all the colors from NYX's Vivid Brights line. And we're just going to do some hearts and other cute designs on her sugar skull. As I said before, you can really do whatever you want here because every sugar skull is different.